Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel DevInshal. Today I will show you how to build one. Today I will show you how to build one day-night toggle in CSS, and I hope you'll be also enjoying this project. Also, like you enjoying all the previous project of CSS, and this video will be really helpful for you. So please see this video from start to end so you can learn one-to-one thing about this video and about this project which we will be making today in this video. Like from previous videos, I've telling you we are starting CSS series, and now we have started and covered up many of the videos related to CSS, and today video is also about CSS. And in today's video we will be building a day night toggle which will be really helpful for you. So remember to see this video from start to end so you can learn everything about this video, and this video will be really helpful for you. So remember to see it till end so you can learn one-to-one things about this video. And if you are enjoying this video and it is helpful and important for you, so please hit a like to this video. If you are new on the channel, hit the subscribe button, share this video with your friends and family members so they can also learn this important skills and programming skills which I am giving. And also share this, and also just share this video with your friends and family members so they can also learn, and just like and subscribe on my channel if you are new here. So I hope you understand that all things, and now we will be starting with our project. So like I've telling you, we will be just building a day night toggle using CSS. So just now we'll be starting to build this. So like I've telling you, we were just using previously our same text editor which was Sublime Text. So today also we will be using that text editor to build our things which we should have, which we have to make. So just I'll be opening my search box, and here I will be typing Sublime Text to open my text editor here. And if you are working with this text editor, so you should also open this, and we will be making one file of index.html and work with this file here. So I will be making a new file, and if you are having same file with the same name on the same location, so don't save there, save in any other location. But if you don't have a space in any other location and want to save on same location, then you have to delete that previous file, and then you have to save it with new name of index.html again. So remember to save with not the same name, just give different name if your files are important here. But I am doing this because I don't have important things on my file, so I am overtaking that file and giving same name to all the files. So here I will be saving this file name also with the name of index.html and saving it on desktop, because I am saving it on desktop. I've told you in previous videos also, because desktop is a simple location where you have to define, or you can say where you have to save your file so beginners can understand, and they can also just save their file on desktop, so they don't have to define the path and location of the file of CSS. But we don't have to make CSS file, we will be working with only HTML file, and we will be doing CSS with the help of a style tag in our HTML, means in our index.html file. So I will be saving this file here now, and I will be replacing it with previous index.html file which I was having on same location. So I will be replacing this file, and when you've done that, just you can see I have just getting this, and here I will be now making this, and I'll be writing HTML and I will be pressing enter. So I'll be getting all the starting code of HTML which I want. You can see I've got all the starting code which I want. I will be saving here by pressing Ctrl S. Now I will be moving to desktop, and just I'll be opening my index.html file which I have just made now. So here I will be now opening this file in my default Opera browser. If you are not having Opera browser, having another browser, you can open in that also. Like some people have Google Chrome, or they work with Internet Explorer or Microsoft Edge, you can use that browser also. But if you are on Mac, so use Safari or Google Chrome browser, they are best for Mac. But for Windows, I think Google Chrome is best. I'm using Opera because this Opera is having good features from Google Chrome, and Google Chrome is also just really risky to use. So because of that, I'm also using Opera browser. You can also use that if you are capable if you are capable with it, and if it is containing features which you want. And now I will be giving the title, so it will be changing this index.html to our title which we will be giving here. So you can give any of the title you want, just remember to give the title which should be related to your topic. So here I will be giving the title of like day night toggle I will be writing. Now when you will be writing this, here you have to just save this file by pressing Ctrl S and reload here. Now you can see when I have reload, so there it is written day night toggle here at the title at the top. Now you can see we are just getting our title. So here we will be moving to our body tag. Now when you are in your body tag, just make a style tag in which we will be writing all the CSS, because I'm telling you we are working with CSS and making a project with CSS, so we have to also work with CSS, and we will be using HTML file to work with CSS. So I am making a style tag in my HTML file, and I will be working with this style tag to write my CSS. So here I make this now this tag. Now I will be moving down and writing this shift and 8. So you can see we are getting this you can say this icon, which means like you are defining all the things in HTML which you are writing. I'll be pressing enter, and you can see we are here. Now you have to define the things which you want and just give the name which will be good for you, and just you can define the images, background image, and day night toggles things you have to define. So here you can just move, then you can just write a tag which will be just like background. Then you can just write a background color, and here which you want color you can just write a dark color. So here you can take dark color from like from any website, or you can take the dark blue from here. So I will be writing dark blue. Here it is. So I don't want to write color code, so I can write like this. You can see you are getting the dark color here at your browser because we have written the background color dark blue. Now we are getting the background here. Now I will be writing here day night toggle. So I will be just writing here, means underneath this body tag I will be moving underneath this body tag, writing h1, and here I will be writing day night toggle here, which will be written here at the center. Now when you've written that, here you have to just do one thing. We will be making the button of this day night toggle, not the h1. So here I will be writing button, and then when you are just writing this, just write here day night toggle. So I will be writing that. Now you can see we have written this. I will be saving this file here, and when you've just saved this file, you have to just move down. Then I will be defining this button in my style tag. Remember to define all the CSS in style tag if you're defining an other tag, or after this style tag, so it will be really difficult for you to define. So my opinion is define in style tag. So here I will be using button tag because I've written button. Then I will be just writing here padding. You can give padding by your own self you want, 15 pixels, save and reload. We are getting the day night toggle button here at the top, you can see. And now I want this button should be in center, and here it should be looking good. So for doing it in center, you can just do one thing here. I will be moving, then I will be giving the div here and giving the class of btn, means button. So just write this colon and then give the class close, and then copy this close div here, and I will be pasting underneath this button tag. So I will be pasting here, save here, reload here. Now you can see nothing happens because we have just only changed the class. So here I will be copying this class which we have written here in the button tag. Then I will be now pasting this class here and giving the same padding, means dot btn, because when we are defining class, so we have to write dot in the starting, and I will be giving the padding here of 15 pixel. You can write. Save this file and reload here. You can see we are getting some of the padding here. Now if you want more padding, so you can give more padding here like 200, and if you want that, you can see you are getting your button, just it is not good looking. Here you can see one thing. So here I will be giving 170, save and reload. Now you can see we are just getting it in center, but still it is not looking good. So here you can see we have written this button. Now I will be doing one thing. I will be just changing its size. So for changing the size of your button, just move here and give the padding of 10 pixels. Save here and reload. Now when you will be reloading this, you can see the padding of button just became small. And if you just move over here, and then if I only write here like day night toggle I have written here in my button, then you can just take it to the left side, so you can get it all looking good. So here I will be giving 130 pixel, save here and reload. You can see we are getting day night toggle, but if I do 140 pixels, so I want to check how it is looking. Reload, save and reload. Now you can see we are getting this at the center. Now I will be giving it the white color, so it will be looking more good, because it is not just looking good at the background of dark blue. So here now I will be giving it the white color. So you can move here in this button tag, then give it the background color. But if you want to give background color, you can give, or if you want text color, you can give, but I will be changing that also. So you can just write here the background, okay, background color, which should be white, or you can only write background, save and reload. We are getting the background. Now I will be just giving it the text color, means color, which should be black, means it is perfect. So here you can see we are just getting our button. Just I want its border should be gone, means I don't want the border here. So I will be writing border none. So here you have to write border none. I will be writing this and saving this file here and reloading this. You can see now we are just not having any border here at the back side. Now just if I show you here, and then I will be just writing a tag which will be like padding we have written. And now here I will be changing this padding just remove from here, move here, and then if you want to give border radius, you can give here. Just you can give the border radius of 50 pixels, save here and reload. You can see when I've given the border radius, so it is looking much more good. So here you can check this thing. But if you want to give border radius, it's your choice. You can give here, or you can set it by your own self. You can set. So here I will be giving the font size. Then the font size I will be giving of 60 pixels. Save here and reload, and you can see it is much bigger, so you can take it to 50. Okay, 50 pixels, save and reload, or you can just 30, save here and reload now. And you can see now it is looking much bigger, but I don't want it should be too much bigger. Save and reload, and now you can see that. So we are just getting this here. Now when you are getting this, just you have to do one thing. I will be now writing the padding of 160, save and reload. And here you can see we are getting our button at the center, and it is looking awesome. Now I want it should be having the cursor of pointer, so I will be writing cursor pointer, and I should want a small hover effect here also. So I will be writing button because it is a tag, then I will be writing hover, and then I will be now writing opacity, and then I will be writing opacity 50% just here. Then the transition 0.8s, save here and reload. And when I'm hovering on that, you can see this opacity is changing here of this button. You can change that to 10 if you want not good, or if you want too much more good, save and reload. You can see we are getting a hover effect at the back of our button, which is looking awesome. So this is the day night toggle button which we have just built here, and I hope you understand how to build this. And we are getting the hover effect at the back, and this button here with the background of dark blue. So this was the day night toggle which we have just built using CSS, and I hope you enjoy this project. If you have enjoyed, so please hit a like to this video. If you're new on the channel, hit the subscribe button, share this video with your friends and family members so they can also learn, because these things are really important. And if a beginner want to become a full stack developer or a coder, so they want to learn these things, and they should learn these things so they can also move to programming language. So I will be meeting you next project. So for today, goodbye.